Hi ma'am, let me introduce myself. I'm Andre Junior Pharmacy Valdez, and I'm from PSHM1B. This video, I will present fine dining sequence, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Good day, sir. Welcome to Spiral Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes,
May I know the name on the reservation, please?
it's under the name of John Michael Gaston.
Okay, Mr. Jan, could you please wait a moment? I just take our list from your reservation. Thank you for your waiting, Mr. Jan. This way, please. May I suggest a table for you, sir?
Yes, sure.
Sir. This is be all right for you, sir.
Yes, it's perfect.
Have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Hi, sir. Let me introduce myself. I am Andre Junior Pharmacy Valdez, and I will be your food server for today. And it will be my pleasure to serve you.
Thank you, Junior.
Excuse me, Sir Jan. May I read the table napkin for you, sir?
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Excuse me, Sir Jan. Would you like to have a glass of water?
Sure, I love to.
Here, sir.
Magkikiwa tayo dito ako.
Oo, pre, maganda kasi ito ako magbibigay pa naman.
Hi, Sir Jan.
Galing to.
Would you like have to bread, sir?
Thank you.
One, two, one.
Sir, this is your butter. Would you like have?
Three, go.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Jan. This is our list for your beverage selection.
Thank you.
And I will take your order whatever you're ready, sir. Excuse me, Sir Jan. I would like to suggest our best-selling aperitif vermouth. Would you like to give it a try?
Sure.
Okay, sir. Can you please take a moment, please?
Kaya, pre.
Excuse me, Sir Jan. Here's our menu card for your selection. Can you take this?
Thank you.
I will take your order whenever you're ready, sir. Excuse me, Sir Jan. May I suggest the following item for your food, sir? For starter, I suggest our boomerang shrimp. It is tender shrimp lightly breaded and flash fried. For your soup, sir, I'd like to recommend our crab and corn. Most of our customers really love it. For your salad, sir, I suggest our grilled with blue cheese salad. And to accompany your salad, I suggest our 7 daughters white blend. For your main course, sir, I suggest you try to our fillet and salmon pesto. And to accompany your main course, I suggest our Duke Boys Merlot. And for your dessert, sir, I suggest the turtle cheesecake. It is made with graham cracker, cassette plenty caramels, and chocolate flash. Okay, Sir Jan. Your meal will be served at 15 to 20 minutes. May I take your menu card, sir?
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, sir. Hi, Sir Jan. Yes, Sir Jan. Are you done with your breakfast?
Yes.
Can I take it, sir?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Hi, Sir Jan. Here's your boomerang shrimp. Enjoy your appetizer, Sir Jan.
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Jan. Are you done with your boomerang shrimp?
Yes.
Can I take it, sir?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Jan. Here's your mushroom soup. Enjoy your soup, sir. Hi, Sir Yan. Are you done with your mushroom soup?
Yes.
Can I take it, sir?
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Yan. Here's your salad. Enjoy your salad, Sir Yan.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sir Yan, are you done with your salad?
Yes.
Can I take it?
Sure.
Thank you, Sir Yan. Hi, sir. This is your closely voice card. Can I answer?
Sure.
How is it, sir?
It's good. Perfect.
Hi, Sir Yan. Here's your main course. Would you like it, sir?
Thank you.
Excuse me, Sir Yan. Are you done with your main course?
Yes.
Can I take it?
Sure.
Thank you, Sir Yan. Hi, Sir Yan. Are you done with your bread and cake, sir?
Yes.
Can I take it your bread and butter, sir?
Sure.
Hi, Sir Yan. This is your turtle biscuit. Can I? Excuse me for a while, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, Sir Yan. Can I take your glasses?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me for a while. Hi, Sir Yan. This is your bill. I received amount of 2,000 pesos. Thank you, sir. Hi, Sir John. Thank you for your dining at here Spiral Restaurant, and we are looking forward for your next dining here. This way, sir.